Good afternoon, students. Welcome you back in the repeating period of your business studies. In this period, now we will continue our units, exercise of unit 1. In the previous lecture, we have done exercise number 1.1. Now we will discuss 1.2 and 1.3 and test your understanding. So the question number 1 is, in today's scenario, organizations look for individual with a specific qualification and experience. To manage them. It also has been observed that there has been an increase in the corporate form of business and increasing emphasis on the managed business concern. What does the above statement imply? So what is imply over here? That in today's scenario, organization look for the individual with specific qualification and experience to manage them. Today's scenarios told us that as per the today's demand, the organization look for the individual. For which kind of individual they look? They look for the individual which have qualification and experience to manage them. So it means this statement is implied to anybody else can. If you are able to give the answer, then please raise your hand. Yes, Kanika.
I'm not sure, but maybe it's management as profession.
No problems, beta. Whether it is incorrect, I don't mind, but I appreciate that at least you are giving the answer. You are using your brain. Something intellectual going on there. That's matter for me. And you are saying absolutely correct answer. It's really worth appreciating. Very good, beta. So, management is the profession in which we require the specific qualification and experience to manage them. It also has been observed that there has been an increase in the corporate form of business and increasing emphasis on the managed business concern. The second question, A.R. Rahman is the first Indian to win Oscar Award for his composition Jai Ho. His composition of the music is the unique as he has used the singing notes in a manner that is entirely his honor on interpretation. Everybody's know A.R. Rahman, one of the famous musician. He also won the Oscar Award for the composition Jai Ho. And he has unique singing notes in such a manner that is entirely his interpretation. Like A.R. Rahman, Mr. Sugan, general manager in Star Limited, uses the knowledge of the management in such a unique way or manner. All the employees working under his guidance are happy and satisfied because of his good behavior. He every day reward and appreciate his employees for being on time and being on time and performing their assigned task with the best of their capabilities. Moreover, Mr. Sugan treats all his employees as fairly as possible. It does not discriminate his employees on the basis of sex, religion, caste, belief, etc. So, which nature of management is highlighted here? Anybody can tell? Anybody can tell? Yes, Mansi.
Ma'am, management is a group activity.
No.
Yeah.
Like the A.R. Rahman is using his capabilities, personalized skills.
I'm directing.
How?
Management as art.
Management is an art.
Very
Management
good,
as an
very
art.
good, very good, very good. Yes, management is an art. Who said this answer? Janvi, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Me
Janvi.
and Kanika as well.
Okay. Yes, I really appreciate you people. It is a correct answer that management is an art. They are using their art, both of them, whether A.R. Rahman as a musician, and the Mr. Sugan as using as a journal manager. They are using their capabilities, personal skills, their art, their creativity they are using. Third, management is a systematic body of knowledge that explains certain journal truths. Identify the nature of management highlighted in this statement. Very much clear, systematic body of knowledge and explain the certain journal truth. It is management is an management is
Management is a
Science.
science.
yes, management is a science. Absolutely correct. Fourth, management is skillful and personal application of existing the knowledge to achieve the desired result. Identify the nature of management highlighted here. I'm telling you, skillful and personal application. Skillful
Management
and
is a
personal
management as
As an
art.
art.
Management is a
art. Very good. Absolutely. A big hand for everybody. You are saying absolutely correct. It is an art. Let's go for the next unit, that is, let's understand and test your abilities, test your understanding in exercise number 1.3. In X Limited, the purchase department purchased 10 ton of raw material for the production department. However, the production department needed just 7 ton. Due to this reason, goods were overproduced and were not accepted by the sales department. As a result, some goods remain unsold, which aspect by the management the company is lacking. I'm repeating my question. In X Limited, the purchase department purchased the 10 ton of the raw material from the production department. However, the production department needed just 7 ton only. Purchase department purchased 10 ton, while the production department need 7. Due to the reason goods were overproduced and were not accepted by the sale department. What is lacking there? Which aspect of management is lacking here?
Management is a group activity.
No, which
Coordination.
very good aspect. I'm talking about the
coordination.
aspect. Yes, the aspect that is coordination is lacking over here because they don't have. In the beginning, I told you whenever we have to work as a team, all the department has to work together. There should be a complete coordination among them. It means as they are overproducing and which also increase the cost of production and reduce the profit of a business. Why this happen? Just because they people don't have the coordination among them. If the people have the proper coordination, then they buy the raw material accordingly, they produce accordingly, and they don't have to face these kind of problems. The next, name the process which provide the request amount, quality, timings, and sequence of efforts and ensure the planned objectives are achieved with a minimum of conflict. What it can be? Again, it is coordination.
Coordination.
The third one, coordination is needed at all the level of management. Do everybody agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
feature of coordination states that? Anybody can tell me the feature of coordination which states that it is applicable on all level of management?
Coordination is a responsibility of all managers.
You can say, and coordination is pervasive.
All
Whatever that is
Essence of
all
management.
whatever that is applicable on various places is known as all pervasive. Like the
Pervasive.
management is all pervasive, coordination is also all pervasive. The last question for everybody. Modern organizations are characterized by a high degree of specialization, and specialization arises out of the complexity of modern technology and diversity of tasks to be performed. Organizations therefore need to employ a number of specialists. The specialists usually think that they only are the qualified to evaluate, judge, and decide according to their personal criteria. They do not take advice or suggestion from others. This often leads to conflict amongst different specialists as well as others in the organization. State the reason why coordination is required in such of the case. I'm repeating and explaining the statement that the modern organization are characterized by a high degree of specialization and specialization arises out of the complexity of the modern technology and diversity of the task to be performed. And in the organization, therefore, they need to employ a number of specialists also. And specialists usually think that they are only qualified to evaluate, judge, and decide according to their professional criteria. They do not advise or suggestion from others. This often leads to conflict among the different specialists as well as other organizations. Now you have to state the reason why coordination is required in such cases. Why we need the coordination when this kind of situation arises in any organization? Why we need the organization coordination in the organization? Anybody can tell?
Ma'am, in order to overcome functional differentiation.
Very good, very good. In order to overcome all these differences, interest and opinion of various specialists. In order to overcome all this, they require coordination. So this is all about for today. We have done 3 exercises and I'll send you the PDF with answers and you have to write in your notebook, and it is compulsory for everybody to prepare the notebook because it is to be considered for your internal assessment. So any doubt to anybody in this, please ask.